Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the noise cancellation on your OnePlus Buds Pro. So we got two methods. The first one by using this touch control panels on our earbuds and by using the Hey Melody application. So let's start from the second option. From the Hey Melody app, you can get it for free from the App Store on your phone. Open it. If you don't know how to pair them with this application, just take a look on our channel where you can find video for this. And as you can see right here, when you put them to the ear or basically cover these sensors, this option will be available to activate. So we can just make it right here in the application. And another step how we can make it, you have to go for the earbud controls. You can adjust for the left and the right, and here you can choose on the squeeze and hold the earbud stem to activate the noise cancellation or just switch between the transparency mode. So when I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put the right one to the ear and hold this one sensor and take a look right now. I'm gonna click and hold here. As you can see, the mode has changed. One more time. As you can see, it's working. You can switch by using this gesture. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.